Hello, my mathematicians. Are you ready to get your brain warmed up and ready to do work with some numbers and do some math? Let's go ahead and let's get started. Let's count by fives. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Yay! All right, let's see if we can count to 20. Are you ready? Let's do it by ones. So we're going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stop! How'd you do? I saw those mouths moving. Give me a high five. Wonderful work. Now, I'm wondering if our friends can tell us with their fingers what number comes before 4. So what number would come before 4? Do you know what it is? Show me with your fingers if you know. So we're going to count backwards. Before 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Did you hold up 3 fingers? Good work. That's a hard one. Let's see if we know what number comes after 4. Show me with your fingers what number comes after 4. You're right, 5. And it's sometimes fun to figure out befores and after and count all along those number lines. And today we are going to play a game called Monster Squeeze. I don't know if you've heard it before, but it's super fun. And in fact, Ava is going to play along, and we talked about this game, so she picked a number out. She wrote it down on this little in this paper here. So she's going to hold on to it, but she's not going to tell us what it is. And we're going to see if we can figure out what her number is. So this is how you play Number Squeeze. Now, the first thing you do is you have to have a row of numbers from 1 to 10. So I'm going to write that down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So the way you play this game is you've got 2 monsters, and Ava has guessed a number, and we're going to try and figure out what her number is, and these monsters are going to help us. So I'm going to go ahead and start. Ava, I'm wondering, is your number 8? Is it 8? No? So tell me, is it smaller than or bigger than 8? Okay, so it's smaller than 8, she said. So if it's smaller than 8, I'm going to go, oh. So now I know that number is somewhere between 1 and 7. All right, so how about we do this? Ava, is the number 4? No? Is it bigger or smaller than 4? It's bigger than 4. So we're going to move this. So now we know it's one of these numbers. 5, 6, or 7. This is hard. I'm going to guess 6 because it's right in the middle. Is it 6, Ava? It's not 6 either. Is it bigger or smaller than 6? Oh, it's bigger than 6. So I'm going to move this here. Oh, I think we squeezed her number. Ava, is your number 7? Let's take a look. Let me see. Let me see. All right, let's open up this number and see. Look, it is. It was 7 that whole time. What a fun game. And boys and girls, you can play this game too at home on your computer, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, so I know before I've told you that this is where we find a lot of our math tools, but this game actually came from our math book. And over here is our math book, and it says everyday math on it. And it gives a little code that's really important. Can you see what that code says down here? 4 banana triangle. So we're gonna click on that and we're gonna press 4 banana triangle. We gotta remember that, 4 banana triangle. In fact, you might wanna write that down before you start. But then you're gonna click on this, and it'll take you to Mrs. Doran's Kinder's class, and you're going to click on the cute little cat. Do you remember what it was? 4 banana triangle. So that's the secret password. And if you scroll down a little bit, there's a word here that says login. That's going to help you find the game. So 4 banana triangle, then you scroll down and click login. And then you have to press one button, and then we'll get to our games. So there's a button right here, this blue button. It says launch, kind of like a rocket ship launches off. We're gonna click launch. And then this is where we can find all of our math stuff, fun lessons. So if you wanted to check out some things at home that you wanna play, there's so many different things, but we're gonna click on that where it said the games with the spinner. And we're gonna play the monster squeeze, the number line squeeze. Do you see this monster up here? This is how you play. So you're going to click on that, and then you'll click on it again. And you're going to be able to hear, when you hear it, it's going to give you sounds and things. But I'm going to talk so you don't have to hear the sounds right now. So you'll choose a color, whatever color you want, and then you're going to play. So what you'll do is it says choose your number line. And that tells you if you want it from 0 to 10. Some of you might want bigger numbers. The choice is yours. I'm going to start with 0 to 10. So I'm going to click on 0 to 10. And then I have to think to myself, what is the secret number? I need to guess it. So to guess the secret number, I'm going to click on any number. So Ava, do you want to pick a number? Okay, so she said, let's pick 8. So we're going to click on 8. Oh, it's larger. So, oh, it's just kind of how we played it. Let's pick another one. Ava, what number do you want to pick? Oh, she says 3. So I'm going to click on the 3. See what she says. Oh, we're getting closer. Oh, which one, Ava? What do you think? Okay, she says 6. We're going to try 6. Let's see if we got it right. We did it, Ava! We guessed the secret number! High five! Yay! So boys and girls, that's how you play. And you can play over and over again. And you can have a lot of fun playing the number squeeze game. So you can grab your favorite stuffed animal friend like Ava, and you can check it out in our classroom. And let's get started.